Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're in the process of applying for a green card, this video is crucial for you. We have some important updates that can affect your application. Pay close attention to all the information provided to ensure your process goes smoothly. Dear esteemed client, we have some exciting news. Your priority date is expected to become current soon, meaning USCIS will begin accepting applications with priority dates like yours. This is a crucial opportunity to move closer to U.S. permanent residency and even citizenship. Remember, failure to act within this window could jeopardize your green card application. Your previously submitted forms may have expired due to changes in USCIS requirements. Don't worry, we'll provide you with updated forms. Please ensure that they are completed and signed. You can either use e-signatures or manual signatures, whatever works best for you. USCIS has recently updated their filing fees. For more details, you can visit the USCIS website. Make sure to submit the correct payment along with your documents to avoid delays. We need updated information to move forward with your application. Please notify us of any unauthorized work, changes in immigration status, arrests or criminal charges, recent travel outside the U.S., divorce, remarriage, or new children, changes in your address or name. This helps us ensure everything is up to date for your filing. Providing your complete prior immigration history is essential for your green card application. This includes copies of all previous I-20 forms, work authorizations such as optional practical training or STEM extensions, prior visas, and any adjustment of status applications. Ensure that these are submitted to avoid complications. For the filing fees, please provide a check or money order payable to the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. Payments for different benefits, like dependents applications, must be done separately. Mail all payments and documents to Law Offices of Gertrude Oniwoha, PC 13456 Avenue, 33rd floor, New York, New York, 10105. Our preferred communication method is via email at gertnuoha@yahoo.com or info@go-attorney.com. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions or concerns. Providing the correct documents is crucial to avoid a request for evidence, RFE, which could delay your application and incur extra costs. We've attached a list of required documents. It's your responsibility to ensure they are complete. USCIS requires a completed Form Y-693 for your green card application. This must be filled out by an immigration-approved civil surgeon. Ensure all vaccinations, including COVID-19, are up to date. Every family member applying must complete this exam and submit their Form Y-693 separately. You can find a civil surgeon near you by using the USCIS Civil Surgeon Locator. Just enter your zip code to get started. A birth certificate is essential for your green card application. Be sure to obtain one from your government agency. Without it, your application cannot proceed. Do not send your documents via email to us, as they might be missed. Instead, upload them securely to your online file. We will review everything and submit your case to USCIS. We are here to support you every step of the way. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Don't miss this opportunity to secure your green card and move closer to achieving your American dream. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.